Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Connected Leadership, Lecture 7. Today we'll learn about adaptive leadership and change management. Adapting to change and leading through uncertainty. Understanding change management models and frameworks. Engaging stakeholders in change initiatives. Communicating effectively during times of change. Overcoming resistance to change. Leading through change. Tips and best practices. Conclusion. Adapting to change and leading through uncertainty. Change is inevitable and can be a daunting prospect for many, but it presents an opportunity for growth and development. As leaders, it's important to not only adapt to change but also to lead through uncertainty with confidence and motivation. In today's fast-paced world, organizations need leaders who can navigate change and inspire their teams to embrace it. Adapting to change requires a mindset shift towards seeing change as an opportunity rather than a threat. By leading through uncertainty, leaders can create a culture of innovation and agility that enables their organization to thrive in any situation. Understanding change management models and frameworks. Change is inevitable, and as leaders, it's important to be able to guide our organizations through periods of transition. One way to do this is by using change management models and frameworks. These tools can help us understand the different stages of change and provide a roadmap for navigating them. There are several different models and frameworks available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. For example, the Lewin Change Management Model emphasizes the importance of unfreezing the current state before implementing change, while the ADKAR model focuses on the individual's journey through change. By understanding these different options, we can choose the right model for our specific situation and increase the likelihood of success. Engaging stakeholders in change initiatives. Change is not something that can be accomplished alone. In order to successfully navigate change initiatives, leaders must engage their stakeholders in the process. This involves identifying key stakeholders, communicating with them regularly, and involving them in decision-making. By doing so, leaders can tap into the expertise and knowledge of their stakeholders and ensure that everyone is on board with the changes being made. Collaboration and teamwork are essential components of stakeholder engagement. By working together, stakeholders can share ideas, identify potential roadblocks, and develop creative solutions. When stakeholders feel like they are part of the process, they are more likely to be invested in its success. This can lead to a smoother transition and better outcomes for everyone involved. Communicating effectively during times of change. During times of change, clear and effective communication is crucial. It's important to keep stakeholders informed about what's happening, why it's happening, and how it will affect them. This helps to build trust and reduce anxiety. Different channels and methods of communication can be used, such as emails, newsletters, town hall meetings, video conferences, and one-on-one conversations. The choice of channel should depend on the audience and the message being communicated. For example, a town hall meeting might be more appropriate for announcing major changes that affect everyone, while one-on-one conversations might be better for addressing individual concerns. Transparency and honesty are also key components of effective communication during times of change. Leaders should be upfront about the reasons behind the change, the potential risks and benefits, and any challenges that lie ahead. They should also be willing to listen to feedback and address concerns. This helps to build credibility and foster a sense of shared purpose. Overall, effective communication is essential for navigating change successfully. Overcoming resistance to change. Resistance to change is a common reaction that leaders encounter when trying to implement new initiatives. People resist change for many reasons, including fear of the unknown, loss of control, and uncertainty about how the change will impact their roles and responsibilities. To overcome resistance to change, it's important to communicate openly and honestly with stakeholders, involve them in the process, and address their concerns and fears. Successful change initiatives often involve creating a sense of urgency and excitement around the change, as well as providing training and support to help people adapt to the new ways of working. Leading through change, tips and best practices. A good change leader is someone who is able to inspire and motivate their team while also being adaptable and flexible. They are able to communicate effectively, listen to feedback, and make decisions quickly when necessary. One of the most important qualities of a good change leader is the ability to remain calm and composed in the face of uncertainty and ambiguity. Some best practices for leading through change include being transparent and honest with your team, involving them in the decision-making process, and providing regular updates and feedback. It's also important to be open to new ideas and perspectives, and to encourage innovation and experimentation. Finally, it's crucial to take care of yourself and your team during times of change by prioritizing self-care and creating a supportive work environment. Conclusion: navigating uncertainty. Adaptive leadership equips leaders to navigate uncertainty and ambiguity effectively. By staying open to new information and adjusting their strategies accordingly, leaders can lead their teams through even the most challenging and unpredictable situations. Embracing innovation. Adaptive leaders encourage a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. They are not afraid to challenge the status quo and support their teams in exploring new ideas and solutions to meet changing demands. Resilience and agility. Leaders who embrace adaptive leadership and change management cultivate resilience and agility within their teams. They help their employees develop the ability to bounce back from setbacks and respond quickly to changing circumstances. Overcoming resistance to change. Change management skills enable leaders to address resistance to change effectively. By communicating the benefits of change and involving employees in the process, leaders can foster buy-in and commitment to new initiatives. Maximizing opportunities. Adaptive leadership empowers leaders to identify and seize opportunities for growth and improvement. They are proactive in spotting trends and emerging markets, allowing their organizations to stay ahead of the competition. Empowering employees. Adaptive leaders empower their employees by delegating responsibilities and trusting their capabilities. This empowers the team to take ownership of their work and contribute more effectively to the organization's success. Cultivating learning culture. Adaptive leadership promotes a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. Leaders encourage their teams to seek knowledge, learn from failures, and apply new insights to enhance performance. Building change-ready organizations. Change management skills enable leaders to build change-ready organizations. They establish processes and structures that facilitate smooth transitions and minimize disruptions during periods of change. Staying relevant and sustainable. In a rapidly changing world, adaptive leadership ensures organizations remain relevant and sustainable. Leaders proactively assess their strategies and business models, making necessary adjustments to stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, adaptive leadership and change management are not just optional leadership traits. They are essential for driving success and growth in today's complex and dynamic business environment. Leaders who embrace adaptability and effectively manage change create a culture of resilience, innovation, and continuous improvement. By empowering their teams and embracing opportunities for growth, adaptive leaders set their organizations on a path toward long-term success and sustainability. As a result, adaptive leadership and change management are indispensable tools for achieving excellence in leadership and making a positive impact on organizations and the people they serve.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.